you guys. We made it to St. Anthony's with enough time to spare to catch a sunset. What you think back there, baby? You ready? Yeah? Something's going on with the music.
That sucks.
Too much bass?
I mean, it's like
There's no sound.
no sound coming out of any of the speakers. Did I disconnect something I'm not aware of?
We gotta have music, you guys.
You can't even. Yeah, we need the booster seat, bro.
Yeah, I forgot about that. You can hardly see his head.
PRP makes an aftermarket booster seat for it.
Oh, really?
Actually, I think that company does too. I'll see what I can find.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go test this thing out.
Catch her out, man.
I came too far, I ain't giving up. Hey, I had to go, it was weighing me down. And then when you roll, they say that you switching up here to perimeter. Defending the fort, we crushing the visitors. I got it locked, ain't taking a prisoner. Thought it was sweet until they chin hit with a finisher. Heartbreak, Nicky, I'm voiding the slips. I'm raising the stakes, enjoying the risk. Injecting my veins with ice, as cold as it gets. I live for this shit. Die as a legend, I ride with aggression. I lost in the past, it's fine, it's a lesson. I'm loading the clips, I fire the weapons and taking what's mine. It's time for redemption. Yeah. And taking what's mine is time for redemption. Yeah.
Alright guys, shakedown I feel is complete, at least for the most part. I don't have all the pieces on here yet. By the way, welcome back to Offroad Diaries. Chris didn't say that.
I sure didn't, you guys.
So
I forgot what it's been so long, I forgot how to record.
So I don't have the grill on here yet because I was trying to figure what is this nonsense. I don't have the grill on here yet because I couldn't figure out how to mount it, but then I realized that I think I found the plate. And I just really, what I was trying to do was test the suspension out, make sure I'm not hearing any weird sounds, make sure that no bolts are loose that I forgot to tighten, because I don't care how good of a mechanic you are, guys, you're gonna screw up sometimes. Miles is over there playing, but she's a looker. Look at this, guys. That's a good looking machine right there. I haven't put my whips on yet, so I had to throw the old glory up there, but take a second, watch a little sunset. Those dogs are trying to get out of it, and you're trying to get out of it.
The dogs are probably like, what?
Look at the cute little puppies.
Oh, my best friend.
Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Chloe.
Look at this. They're like, what's going on?
Chloe.
Wait, did he lock him?
They got so much energy. I got so much energy.
They drive you.
Okay, guys, so we brought Aiden his little green machine. I got to do a few more things to it. It's not completely done yet, but it turned out pretty darn cool, man. Check that out. We got the wheels done. What you think about the little lunchbox, Miles?
So cool, Miles.
You like it? So,
Cool car, huh?
they got to rip it around a little bit. It's got a little sputter to it I'm gonna have to fix, and then after that, we'll bring it back to him. I've got to put the light bar on. I just didn't want to not show him the car. So, we're gonna load this girl up and head home. What's up, guys? All right, so I know this video is, I had this plan to do a reveal and all this other stuff, but honestly, Lucille was not actually complete yet. I was just doing kind of a shakedown run on her. I wanted to make sure that everything felt good and felt right. I am sorry to all my friends and subscribers that wanted to meet up with us. It was literally a turn and burn. We did not leave here till like 3:30 today, and we got there at like 6:15. I had to drop off a turbo to my buddy Kevin. It's going back up to Canada, and I had to come up, and I feel bad. I didn't finish the green machine, but I finished it enough to where Aiden actually got the chance to see it in person. He was super excited. He was really shy at first, but then he was really excited. I just gotta fix a sputtering issue it's having. It's nothing internal on the engine. I don't believe it's probably something stupid, and still got to put the light bar up, and just really wanted to like just go through the car and make sure every nut and bolt is tight, because when you start rushing on things, that's when mistakes happen, and I just can't have a little child. I can't have him get hurt due to my negligence because I was just going too fast. But Josh and his lovely girl Priscilla were there. That is Aiden's grandparents. They're subscribers, and they're just such awesome people. They're probably going to go to Winchester Takeover with us, which I'm excited about. They're just really, really good people, and we met them from our channel. What was it, like 2 years ago? 3 years ago? Oh yeah, Miles. She was still pregnant with Miles, and it was so cool for him to go in and interact with their little puppy dogs. And everything else. But it's 1 in the morning, guys. I have a lot more to say, but you'll see it on Wednesday. I got 2 days to complete Lucille and get her out to Invasion. And then after that, we got 2 weeks and we're going to Takeover. So we got a busy schedule ahead of us, but we're super pumped. So I'm being kind of quiet because Miles is asleep. Sorry this video's all over the place. I had a big plan, supposed to leave at 10 this morning, and I kept finding, love you, babe. I kept finding things on the car, on the Pro R, that I needed to do before we actually left. And but she's fine. She ran great. The MTS springs did amazing. They felt, man, that car feels like it's on a cushion right now. So I'll give y'all a huge update on Wednesday's video. For now, it's 1 in the morning. I'm gonna knock this video out so you guys have a video at 6 in the morning. All right, love you. If it's your night, day, morning, whatever it is, have a good part of it. All right, love y'all, bye.